What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ray Can Do It. My name is Ray. Today we are going to be putting in some LED light bulbs by Novsight. Both high beam and low beams are getting new bulbs. Get rid of the halogen bulbs that are in it. Get a little bit brighter. I will show you a before and after on what it looks like. Well, let's go ahead and get these unboxed, and we will go ahead and get them installed in my wife's Jeep Grand Cherokee and see how it does. Guys, please like, subscribe, comment. Definitely appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and get these opened up. These are the H11 bulbs. Now, this Grand Cherokee comes with both H11 and H9 bulbs. The H11s are for the low beams, the H9s are for the high beams. You can use H11s for the high beams, but you cannot use H9s for the low beams. So they said that the H9 is a higher wattage bulb, but being we are going LED, the H11s should be just fine for the high beams. All right, let's go ahead and get this opened up. Got our Novsight instruction manual. Pretty simple. And here's our LED bulbs. Nice quality, got a nice rubber seal. It has a fan in the back for cooling. All right, let's go ahead and get these installed and we'll see what difference it makes. All right, on the driver's side, we're gonna have to take out the airbox. So let's go ahead and do that. Take the airbox cover off. Set it to the side. Air filter. Go ahead and grab the air box and it comes right out. Get it out of the way. Okay, this should give us access to both light bulbs right here. There's the high beam. There is the low beam. Let's go ahead, unplug it first. Twist it counterclockwise, comes right out. There's a new bulb. It is an H11. So we're going to plug it in. Make sure it snaps. Stick it in the hole. This has 3 prongs on it. One prong is wider than the other, so it only goes in one way. Wiggle it around and then twist it until it locks in. And that is done. All right, guys, if you look on these bulbs, there's 3 tangs, locking tangs that are on it. One's wide and 2 narrow. It only goes one way. So what you do is put it in the hole and wiggle it around. You want to finagle it a little bit. Then you twist it about a 1/4 of a turn where the plug is at the bottom. Then we'll go ahead and plug it in till it snaps. All right. We already have the low beams changed. Let's go ahead and change the high beams. Reach down here, twist the bulb, the socket. You got a little button you push down on the plug. I'm going to put it back in the old box. Put our LEDs in. Make sure it locks. Find the hole. There we go. Got it locked in. Here is the low beam, which is a LED. This is a low beam, which is halogen. You can definitely tell that's yellow, and this is more white. See if I can get both of them. You can see right there, that's both of them. The driver's side is LED and the passenger side is a regular halogen. Let's go ahead and change the passenger side. Come in here, turn it counterclockwise. See, there's a button on the back of the plug. You press down. Pull the halogen bulb out. Take our LED. Pop it in. Make sure it locks. Twist it clockwise, a quarter turn, and that is in. Let's go ahead and put the airbox back in. That goes right down there. Make sure it sits down there nice and flush. Snap it. Snap it. Put our intake tube back in. Go ahead and tighten it up. There, you got it. Good to go. You got both lights changed. Everything back together. So now, once it gets dark, we'll see what it looks like. Okay, here is our low beams. Now here's our high beams. Low beams, high beams. Looking good. Not quite dark yet, but still dark enough. Those are low beams. Those are high beams. This is all with the factory lights, the stock lights. I think they're halogen bulbs. This is a huge difference. A lot brighter. It's not quite dark, but this is the factory low beams, and there are the factory high beams. Guys, as y'all can see, changing from the halogen lights to LEDs makes a huge difference. Both low beam and high beam. You see so much better at night. Want to thank Novsight for sending these to me. Definitely appreciate it. I did not pay for them. They sponsored this video. So sent me these, asked me to try them out, do a video on them, check them out. I said, no problem, I'll do it. Now my wife can see better at night. Nice white lights instead of the old yellow lights. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Definitely appreciate it. Enjoy reading everybody's comments. I would buy these lights myself. I would fork out of my own pocket and buy these lights. It's definitely worth the upgrade. So I will put a link in the description on where you can get these. Once again, guys, appreciate it. And more videos coming soon.